We get to the mall. I buy this beautiful dress. I get my hair done. You don't say anything. I don't know. Maybe you just don't want to... Marcus! Did you hear me just now?
Mm-hmm.
Tell me what I said.
I heard everything. You was communicating.
Marcus, don't play with me right now. I am not in the mood. I cannot believe you came home late and then you started... Marcus! You are falling asleep again? I am talking to you.
I wasn't sleeping, baby. I was closing my eyes and visualizing your words.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Visualizing.
Mm-hmm.
Well, why don't you paint me a picture of what I just said?
Hold on.
You know why? Because you are falling asleep again. Marcus!